Before moving to the topic of impure function, let's see an example for impure function. Here also the same function given, that is what example we have discussed in pure function, that only here also given. The same function name and same arguments passed. Coming back to this, here also same function name given with the same parameter. Here also I am passing same arguments only, that is 49 and 4 only. So for each time function calls, it produces the different type of output only, because the function variable affected by some other variables. The output depends on the external variable a also. Each time it produces different types of output. See, when I run the program, I entered value 6. So it shows 55 is greater. Next time I am calling the function with same arguments, enter the value 9. So now the greater value is 58. Both time it displays the different types of output. The output is not same. So here the function variable x and y are affected by some other variable, memory variable a. So it is called impure function. Let's see definition and one more example of impure function. First, the variables used inside the function may cause side effects through the functions which are not passed with any other arguments. That is, function variables are affected by some other variable. So it is called an impure function. So here, one example, the mathematical function random of will give different output for the same function call. Any number of times you can call, each time it will produce different types of output only. So this random function is impure function. Let's see an example of this algorithm. Here we can see example for impure function. Impure function means the function variable will be affected. So each time this will produce different types of output values. So 3 times I call the function random. All the 3 times it will return 3 different types of output only. So when I run this program, the result will be, see, 3 times I call the function, all the 3 times the result is different. So this is called the impure function. In this example, let is the keyword, a is a variable, random of is a function name. Here it is going to check our random variable greater than 10 or not. If the random variable is greater than 10, is going to return the random variable, else it will return the variable 10. So here the function random is impure function, as it is not sure what will be the result when we call the function. So in each time the random of function will return different types of output only. It's not going to return same output. So it is called impure function. Now let's go through the paragraph given in page number 5 that we have already seen. Just now we have explained the example and this paragraph part. The variables used inside the function may cause side effects through the functions which are not passed with any arguments. In such cases, the function is called impure function. When a function depends on variables or functions outside of its different block, you can never be sure that the function will behave the same time it's called. For example, this example we have already discussed and the definitions also have explained. This is an important 5-mark question mark. Is that clear?